Good day, everyone. So, I am Teacher May Ann, your English teacher. So, today I will discuss the eight kinds of noun. Before we go to the eight kinds of noun, let us define noun first. So, a noun is a word that generally functions as a name of a specific object or set of objects such as like living creatures, places, action, in states of existence or the ideas. Like for example, the name of a person. So me, Mayan, the name of an animal, a cat, and dog. That's it. So now we will go to the eight kinds of noun. So the first kind of noun is the common noun. So it is a non-specific people, places, things, or ideas. Like it is a generic name for a person, place, or things in a class or like a group. Because unlike proper nouns, a common noun is not capitalized unless it's either begins a sentence or appears in the title. Like for example, the example of the common noun is sister, friend, bikes, and movies. So proper noun, these are nouns that name a specific person, things, places, or ideas. Like, for example, Maya and Paris. So, Maya is a specific name of a person, and Paris is a specific name of a place. The next one is abstract nouns. So, it represents intangible ideas like things you can't perceive with the five main senses. Like for example, words like love, time, beauty, and science. Those words are all abstract nouns because you can touch them or see them. This one is concrete noun. So a concrete noun represents something that can be seen, touched, tasted, heard, or smelled. Like in other words, a concrete noun is something you can perceive with at least one of your senses. Like for example, book, medal, judge, and coin. So countable nouns. This these nouns are for things that we can count using numbers. Like they have a singular and a plural form. The singular form can use the determiner a or an, and if you want to ask about quantity of a countable noun, you ask how many. Combined with the plural countable noun, like for example, three cats. So she has three cats. So uncountable nouns. These nouns are for the things that we can't count with numbers. Like they may be the names for abstract ideas or qualities or like for physical objects that are too small or too amorphous to be counted. Like for example, liquid, powder, gases, or rice, sugar, air, and water. So compound noun. These nouns, I mean, this is a noun that is made with two or more words. So a compound noun is usually like noun plus noun or like adjective plus noun. But there are others combinations like there are other like it is important to understand and recognize compound nouns. Each compound noun acts as a single unit and can be modified by adjectives and other nouns. So there are three forms of for compound nouns. Like for example, open or space between words. Like for example, tennis shoe, and hyphen between words like six, then and hyphen and pack. And then the last one is hyphen between words, which is bedroom. So the last one is the collective noun. So these are names for collection of number of people or things. Like words like group or herd and array are collective noun. Like for example, here we'll take a closer look at collective nouns and provide even more examples, like placing them in a context so you can gain a greater understanding of how they work. So like for example, our class took a field trip to the Natural History Museum. So the class in the sentence is the collective noun. So, okay, class. So, those are the eight kinds of noun. So, that's it for today, class. Thank you for everyone. Thank you for listening to me. God bless.